In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live football on YouTube TV directly, without any hassle. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking for a seamless way to stream games, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. To watch live football on YouTube TV directly, start by ensuring you have an active subscription. If you don't already have one, visit tv.youtube.com and sign up for the service. Once your account is set up, log in to the YouTube TV app on your preferred device, whether it's a smart TV, phone, tablet, or streaming device, or use the website. From the home screen, navigate to the Live tab or search for the channel broadcasting the game, such as ESPN, Fox, CBS, or NBC. Simply click on the channel or game to start streaming instantly. You can also set up reminders or record the game using the Cloud DVR feature for later viewing. If this video helped you learn how to watch live football on YouTube TV directly, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.